Okay, guys, we are going to show you on an Android. I know yesterday I recorded for you on an iPhone. I'm going to record for you on an Android. Go ahead and say accept, Denise. We're going to show you on an Android how to add your MetaTrader 4. So once you've gone to your Play Store and you've downloaded MetaTrader 4, this screen is going to come up. You're going to go up to the menu bar. So you see the three lines, Denise, at the top, go to menu bar. And you're going to go down to manage accounts, is right below the top, manage accounts. And then you're going to go to the plus at the top. Going to hit the plus. And then you're going to go log into an existing account. It's the second option. And then it's going to, where it says find broker, you're going to write in Intelligence Prime all together. And you're going to look for Intelligence Prime /live. So go ahead and type in there, intelligence, where it says find broker. There it is, Intelligence Prime Live. We want the live one, the second one you see there, not the demo. And then what you're going to do is they have emailed you an email that says your MT4 account. Look on your computer. What does it say, Denise? Is approved. It says your MT4 application is approved and they've sent you information. Your login is going to be the numbers, and then your password is going to be the investor password, not the master password, but the investor password. I'm going to pause the screen while Denise puts her information in, and then we'll come back and you'll see what to do from there to see your trades. Okay. All right. So once you put your information in, it's going to come up like this. It's going to tell you that you are in. It's going to have your name. And then all she needs to do is to go down to the bottom. The fourth one, Denise, is history. So go ahead and connect history. The fourth one at the bottom, fourth little icon, it looks like an envelope.
Okay.
There you go. And then you can go up to the calendar. So hit your calendar and then hit last week or last month. It doesn't matter. You only just joined. But these will show all the trades that I've done on her behalf. And she was just doing a little bit of a test. So not big trades, but it's showing you that the thing does win. And scroll down, Denise, so they can see more. But these are all your trades. And then on Saturdays, what happens, keep going, Nisi. Or these are all your trades from like this week. So on Saturday, what's going to happen is she's going to get a deposit. All of these are going to be added up and they're going to take from here and they're going to deposit it into her blue wallet in her account. And she gets to keep 80% and they keep 20. So far right now, it looks like her trades are about $7. And that's what we told you, we're doing about 7% a week. Hers is $7.77. You can see that up there. And it's going to keep, they're going to keep 20. She's going to get 80. And that's it every week. And that's it. If you want to compound, just look at the video I just did on compounding it. All right. Thank you so much. Thanks, Denise, for the show. I'm going to stop the recording.